Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen, aka Diamond Queen 2020. We are back with a unboxing. It is, I believe, a uniquely yours. It is the extinct dolphins. So it's one that you probably can't get anymore on the website because they only have so many of them. Once they're gone, they're gone. So we are going to open this little boot up, as they like to call it. I think that's what they call it. This should be the dolphins. So we'll see. We will see what we get here. There's a little white box. All it is a white box. Enjoy your white box. Yep, it's the dolphins. Dolphin Love, I think it's called. That's all there is. Okay. I'm gonna scoot back. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit so you guys can see better. And we're gonna look at the dolphins. It's gonna be gorgeous. Ooh, and it's got two plastics on it, plastic papers on it, because it's big. Oh God, are you kidding me? Okay. All right. It's gorgeous. Here's what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. Oh, let's go this way. Alright, there it is. Isn't it pretty? Gorgeous. Okay, now I'm gonna roll it back up and we're gonna look at the diamonds. Check out the diamonds now. Let's see how pretty these diamonds are. Now I usually take the diamonds out of this and oh, I didn't look at other stuff about it. Hold on. I'm gonna pull this way a little bit more towards me.